Hi guys! We are very happy to announce that we just reached 10,000 subscribers. All this time we covered many things such as electronic projects and gadgets, and all about the 3D printing world. We covered assembly manuals, upgrades, tips, tests and reviews. We covered big size printers, and we covered small size printers. We covered technical subjects, and some not so technical subjects. And we have much more to show. Also, we are always glad to answer all your questions in English or Portuguese. We would like to thank all of you that follow our work. Your support is very important to us. If you are not a subscriber yet, check our channel and get to know us. We hope you can keep following us for more cool videos. We will see you guys next time. Bye!